Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Google Sheets document and confirming the name column exists. This matters because formulas reference headers. Next, click a dedicated input cell and type the name you want to find. This keeps searches dynamic. Once done, decide if you need exact matches or partial matches. Exact matches avoid similar names, while partial matches catch variations. Make sure to note the column letter or header name so you can reference it in the next step when building your formula. Now you implement the search using formulas. If you want all matching rows, use filter, for example. Equals filter, A2, C100, A2, A100 equals E1, where E1 holds your name. This returns rows instantly. Alternatively, use match to get the row number. Equals match, E1, A2, A100, 0, which returns a position you can use with index. Once you build the core formula, wrap it with Apparel to show a friendly message when no rows are found, and make sure ranges match the sheet size to avoid errors. Finish by refining and automating. Use lower on both the search cell and the column inside your condition to ignore case differences, for example. Equals filter, A2, C100, lower A2, A100, equals lower E1. Make sure the target area for filter output is clear. Google Sheets spills arrays into adjacent cells automatically. If things go wrong, first check your ranges and spelling, then ensure headers haven't moved. A single troubleshooting tip. Use Apparel to display a clear message like no match found, so you know the formula ran but returned nothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.